Good morning, children. Yes, we have studied about all the five types of nutrients. Do you remember what are those? Those are bodybuilding foods, that is, then protective foods, and these all the foods we have to take: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These things. Now, what will you do? Balanced food. What is balanced food? Means the food you are eating, do you think that it is reaching it to your body? It should be in the right amounts, then only you will be fit and healthy. So you cannot take more of that, or you cannot less of that. So what happens if you take less also? Then something will be uh, then you will feel weak. It affects on your body. So if you take more also, then also it will affect on your body. So regular exercise and all will keep your health fit and fine. Now balanced side. Balanced food. What is balanced food? You need to take from all the four types of foods. That is from milk group. Four types of group are there. That is milk group, and fruits and vegetables group, and vitamins and minerals. So these are the four types of group you need to take a lot. One is four types of groups are: one is proteins group, milk group, vegetables and fruits group. Then fourth is cereal group. These are the four group, and from each group you have to take your food. Then only your health will be fit and fine, healthy. And what are the balanced? What is a balanced food? The food which provides you with all the nutrients in the right amounts is called a balanced diet. Food that contains all the nutrients in the right amounts, and this makes your meal a balanced diet. This make your meal balanced diet, isn't it? Then you need to drink lot of water. Helps your body to use all the nutrients in the food, to digest the food you eat, and get rid of the waste formed in your body. So if you don't drink water, then what will happen? This your food will not digest properly, means it cannot be a liquid form, and then it will be very much hard to get digest the food, and you cannot means your body also will not send the wastes properly. Then you will get the stomach ache, and your skin also will get dried and all. To keep wetness in your body, you need to drink lot of water. Means per day 8 glasses of water at least you need to drink it, isn't it? So your diet must provide your body all the nutrients in proper quantities. Only then you will be fit and healthy. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. Such a diet is called balanced diet. Single food contains all the nutrients on the right amounts. For a balanced diet, before we need to eat a variety of food every day. To make the selection of the balanced diet easier, food items have been divided into four groups. Those are, what are the four groups? Protein groups, milk group, vegetables and fruits group, cereal group. So protein group, meat, egg, fish, these are the protein diets. And milk group, milk, cheese, curd, ice creams, etc. These are the groups you need to add it. Fresh vegetables and fruits, these are must and should you have to include in your regular diet. Regular diet. So the cereal group, rice, bread, chapati, noodles. Noodles are also coming under the food item groups only. You can have it, not the junk food. Now here you can see balanced diet. What are the items are included in this? You can see pulses are there, then sprouted seeds are there, many more fruits are there, and vegetables are there. Along with that, you need to drink water also, lot of water. Water helps to digest your food. Water helps to digest your food and get rid of the waste also. And you need to have lot of fiber food, means wheat you can have. Fiber foods means cucumber is having the lot of fibers in that, and carrot and fiber you can have it more and more. Beetroot also is a fiber food. So if you eat lot of fiber food, then your health will be in good condition. So cereals and pulses also you must eat. Pulses are also having the lot of proteins in your in the food. So to digest the food, you eat, and to get rid of the waste formed in your body. And don't forget to add fiber food to your diet. Food rich in fiber adds digestion and elimination of wastes from the body. Cereals and fruits, raw vegetables are rich sources of fibers, isn't it? You must drink lot of water, plenty of water. Water helps your body to use all the nutrients in the food. All the nutrients in the food. So next time you have your meal, you know what to eat, because you have learned all about healthy eating. You can live a long life and enjoy all the beautiful things that life has to offer. These are the food, isn't it? If you don't eat these foods, then if you don't drink water, then ball wash will not be there. The waste will not be removed from your health. What happens? So if you go to the kitchen and go on whatever the garbages are there, you put it in that. What will happen? And if you don't remove the garbages, what will happen? It will be accumulated there only, and it stinks very bad smell. So that is why you need to drink lot of water. And when you are taking the lot of nutritious food, so you, along with that, you need to drink lot of water, isn't it? Then water is very helpful to our body, helps your body to use all the nutrients in the food, to digest the food you eat and get rid of the waste formed in your body. Then fiber food rich in fiber aids digestion and elimination of waste from the body. Cereals, fruits and raw vegetables are rich in sources of fibers. Means you can make the salads also, and spinach and some fenugreek. These leafy vegetables add, whatever you feel like making the salads. Raw also you can have it, but the cereals or pulses you cannot eat raw. You have to cook them and mash it. So then only the food can be digested. If you eat it raw, then it will not digest. But whereas the fruits and vegetables you can eat. Few vegetables you can eat raw, that is cucumber, carrot, you can make salad and have it. These are the high fiber food that you can add it in your regular diet, in your daily meal. So once, when you are when you are having your lunch, then you think it over, how many balance means how much you are able to eat, and what are the things are added in your diet. Will you think it over and take the right amount of nutrients which provides to your body? So when you go to the market and all, you will have the packs. On the back side of the pack, you will have the nutrition information. Those things you read it and tell me. Okay, in the next video will be studying about how to cook the food and preserve it. Thank you.